Which technology was invented while samurai were still roaming Japan? The telephone, the fax machine, the radio, IC engine. Correct answer: the fax machine. Which of these is actually wider in diameter? The Moon, Australia, Pluto, Asteroid Ceres. Correct answer: Australia. Which country has the most pyramids in the world? Mexico, Egypt, Sudan, China. Correct answer: Sudan.